Hello guys, welcome to the 23rd video of our Python playlist, and in this video we will discuss the binary search. So the binary search, we know the word binary. We have binary number system, and in binary number systems we have zeros or ones. Same as in mathematics we have binomial expansion. So bi means two basically, right? Same as in Boolean we have either true or false, right? So here we are using two values in the binary search to find the uh, correct or the searched value. So what happens? What is the limitation of the binary search? So for the binary search, we have to make sure that our list is sorted. So for sorting algorithm, you can view the previous videos like video number 21, 20, and 19 so that you guys can get the further assistance of how to basically code the searching algorithms. So let me take a list, and I am taking the list already sorted. If you are new to our YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe. So L is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's say this is the list. So firstly, what we have to do is that we have to take a variable first that stores the zero index, and we have to take the last that stores the last index. So length of list minus 1. Now what we have to do? We have to find the mid first that will be equal to first plus last divided by 2. Now what is happening? What is the problem now? Look, we find the mid. This mid is the middle index, the index right at the middle of the list. So uh, first plus last, so 5 divided by, this will be, if I comment this, so this will 5 divided by 2, so the quotient is 2, right? And remainder is 1. So what we will do is that we will see that whether our value stored in this mid index is equal to the searched value, is greater than the searched value, or is it lesser than the searched value. If it is equal to the searched value, this means that we have found the searched value. If it is lesser than the searched value, this means that now we have to search that value ahead of the middle value. But if the searched value is lesser than the middle value, this means that we have to now see the previous values. So this means that if I code this, so if let me take a variable over here, search val, that is for example 5. So if L mid equals the search val, then what we will do, we will we will print value is found, comma mid. Elif, the mid value is greater than the search value basically. So we will print value is not found, for example. And then what we will do, because the mid value is greater than the searched value, so now if we take this example, right, so now we have to see the previous values. So lastly, our last will be equal to mid minus 1 now. Else what will happen, that we will write for first is equal to mid plus 1, because now we have to search ahead. How this mid will be changing now? This means that we have to use the loop. Now, how we will implement this loop? What will be the condition of the loop? So, let's say that we have to search 8. If we have to search 8, so first time we will find the will be equal to 2 and mid value is 3. Then we will compare 8 with the mid value. If it is greater than the mid value, then our first, as it is, as 8 is greater than 3, so our first will be equal to 3. This means that now we are here at index position 3. This is our first. Then what we will do is that we will find the mid index again, and that will be 3 plus 5 divided by 2. So our mid index will be 4, right? So as the mid index is 4 now, so now our mid value is 5. So mid value is 5 now. Now we will see that if our, let me write here last also, for, so last was 5 over here. So now what we will do, we will compare 8 with the mid value, that is 5 right now. So 8 is greater than 5. So what we will do that, so 8 is greater than 5. So our first will be equal to mid plus 1. So this means that our new first will be 6 now, right? Because mid index, so the first, like, it will be 4 now, and last will remain 5. It will not change. Then what will happen? Now we will find the index again. Okay, so first plus last divided by 2. This means that mid index will be 9 divided by 2, that is equal to 4 again. Now, because our mid index, so as our mid index is 4 again now, so what will happen? Our mid value will be again, so our mid value will be again 5, right? So what we will do, we will compare 5 with 8, and as 8 is greater than 5, so our first will be incremented again. So first is equal to mid plus 1, right? So our first will be 5 now. So first is equal to last right now, right? What if I carry this on? I carry this on, our mid index will be 5 now, because it is 10 divided by 10 divided by 2. So mid index will be 5. So our mid value will be again 5, and as 5 is lesser than 8 still, so our first will be mid plus 1 again, and that will be 6. First index cannot be basically greater than the last index, right? So this means that in this way our loop will terminate. So here I will write while first is lesser than equal to last, then this all must happen. So here I must give an indent now, right? And so I should do a changing over here. I should remove this. And if the value is found, then we will write, we will break the loop. And here we should use a found flag that is false first. And we will write found equal to true, or else which is false. And if found equal, here I should also change this. And if found equal true, then we will just print the value searched is found at, and here we will just print mid. And here I should take mid as a variable previously first. So here you go. And if we see over here, what will happen? That last is already 5 and 5 is divided by 2. So here we have to make sure that we are adding a bracket. So if I run the code now, so you guys can see the value search is found at 4, and here I should write at index 4, right? So let's say I change this to 24, and else I should print not found, right? So if I run this now, so you guys can see that the value is not found. And here I should write, for a better coding practice, the value which is search val is basically not found. So if I run this all, so you guys can see that the value 24 not found, or it is not found, is not found. So this was the logic. It is a very detailed video. So I hope you guys got the concept for the binary search. See you guys until the next video. Take care. Goodbye.